Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of just some specs of it. So anyway, let's just pop it open. I don't want to really rip anything. There we go. So as you can see, packaging basically the same as for almost every other Apple Watch. Pop it open and you get this two-layered version, sandwich of two boxes. I'm gonna just get rid of that one. So in here we get the actual watch, and underneath we have the wrist rest, or wristband. So I'm gonna quickly pop it open, get rid of that. So we got some paperwork underneath. I'm gonna just toss it to the side. And in here we get the straps. As you can see, we have two different sizes. So we have the clip one, and then two lengths for this one. And then in here, let's just pop it open. I'm actually quite interested how this looks like. I have no idea. I haven't actually seen anything about this. So again, I'm just gonna pop it open. I love these pull tabs right here. And there we go. Just flip it over. There is the watch itself and this basically like silver color, silver whitish. It's kind of hard to describe it. Come on. There we go. And I did turn it on by mistake, but that's completely fine. Then in here, just paperwork, and under the wireless charger. That's basically all we get in the box. Gonna move over back to these. So let's just take this out. There we go. It's actually looks really nice. And I'm gonna grab the smaller one because my wrists are the size of a malnourished child. So there we go. Now I won't be going over the setup. I don't have an iPhone right here with me, so I can't set it up because it only works with iPhones, so it's a little bit of a shame. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this on and quickly go over a couple of specs. So this is running an OLED display with a peak brightness of about 1000 nits. It has a 1.9 inch display with a resolution of 484 by 396, and watchOS 8.0 upgraded to full 8.1. Chipset is Apple S7, and internal storage 32 gigabytes with, actually I have no idea how much RAM it has. So that's basically all the core information. I'm gonna take off my actual watch right here and just kind of put this on. This is a way smaller watch than what I actually wear. I have the Apple Watch, as you can see. So this thing is well, way bigger. So actually, let's see how this fits. So there we go. There it is. As you can see, that is a really skinny hand, and honestly, it fits really well. Although I prefer it to be underneath, to be honest. So yeah, the strap itself is actually quite nice, I have to admit. So yeah, anyway, that basically concludes the unboxing of it, and yeah, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.